So welcome to our class for today, and very happy to see everyone here. We have here a video just to outline our topic for the day, which is using Python as a means of doing your calculations and your work in mathematics. So in your Moodle, you'll see we already did Desmos and we linked to Desmos. So today you may use this online Python interpreter, and when you click it, you get to this online Python interpreter. So I have a file prepared, and in this file are some Python scripts, and these scripts will not only introduce for you the idea of Python programming language, they also will provide a preview of the entire course's content. So today we're going to preview the course's content using Python, and at the same time give you a powerful tool for making your work more efficient. So this will allow you to spend more time in understanding the mathematics and less time doing the calculations. So let us jump right in and begin. So I'm just going to open up a new window here. Here it is, and we'll go into our sample program. I'm just going to save this sample program as MCR3U Python intro. Okay, so the topics that we cover here are going to introduce Python programming language, and at the same time show you how to use Python as a tool for your work. Okay, so here we are. A computer program here has a bunch of text here. None of this is actually a computer program. All of this is just comments. I'm just going to pause for a moment.